Alright guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to gap a spark plug. This is a fancy little tool I got from Amazon. It does not break the bank. I think I spent under $20 and it came with a set of filler gauges. I'll put a link in the description. And this is a spark plug that we got from the tuner's website. It's a Ford Performance brand, and this is 1-step colder plugs. It's going to get us ready for stage 2 tune. So you just simply place the spark plug just like that, right? And then we are gonna gap them to 26 to 28 range. So I'm gonna try to shoot for 26 or in the middle, 27. And all we're gonna do is, so I went ahead and ran down the screw a little bit. I did a little pre-measurement. We're about 29 thou, give or take, because then like 28 thou feeler gauge goes in, right, and it has a little bit of play. So I want to say it's at 29. So I put a 28 thou in the paper thin 1 thou we have, so that's at 29. The 30 thou won't fit, which is a 28 and a 2. So you only got to do a minor adjustment and then it should get us within spec. All right, this is a 28 thou, and I'm going to show you that it's not going anymore. So if it bites, then that's not your true measurement. So, and also if it has a little bit too much wiggle, then that's also not the true measurement. So we're probably at 27, 20, maybe 26, but I'm gonna try to get it right at 26. What do you know? So I got the 26 down there, and then I got the 1 thou too, and the 1 thou does not want to go in. Well, it's actually almost 2 thou, one and a half. So that would have been putting me at 27 and a half. So I could safely call it that we're within spec now at 26. So that's it, man. Pretty straightforward, easy stuff. So one thing to know, I went ahead and took out the spark plug and measured it outside of the tool, and it looks like I can still get a 28 thou in there. So I think it's safe to say we should take our measurement once we take it out of the tool. All right, guys, 28 thou wants to bite, but is not going anymore. So I could say we're safely at 26, 27. I'm just gonna show you. There's no pressure on the tool right now, so this will be a true reading. So here's my 26 thou. And there you go, goes right in, and it doesn't wiggle like crazy. So this is my true size here. You could also get a pair of calipers and verify as well too. But yep, we're within spec now.